Okay, we're going to do SB63 and 64. We're plotting, where we're looking at more points on a graph points on a coordinate plane. So let's take a look at number one. There was 6 days in a row that Julia measured the depth of snow in a shaded area in her backyard. And we have to find between which 2 days did the depth of the snow decrease, go down. Someone look for something when it decreased, it went down. Let's take a look. This is going up, this is not going anywhere, and this is going down. So I see that here from day 4 to 5, it went down, maybe that's like 11, and that's 8. So 4 inches, but then from here to here, this would be 3, and this would be 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. This would be 5 inches. So I would say 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, this is 3, right? 3 inches, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. So this is the biggest decrease. It was between day 5 and day 6. Let's take a look at number 2. This is a chart showing a puppy's weight when they were weighed at 1 month through 5 months. And I have to do a reasoning explanation here. So what ordered pairs would you plot to show the puppy's weight on a coordinate grid? All right. If this is their age in months and then this is their weight in pounds, then we could do like the age and the weight. And plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then see how the puppy's weight, how the puppy gains weight over time. So those could be our ordered pairs. And how do you think the ordered pairs would be different if the puppy's weight was measured every week instead of every month? Okay, so if this is once a month, I notice a big increase each time. If you were weighing the puppy once a week, the puppy, let's see, in a month, the puppy gained 6 pounds. But in a week, it'd probably gain like a pound or something. So it would look less. All right, so let's say our ordered pairs would be 1, 12, 2, 18, 3, 23, 4, 31, and 5, 34. Would be the ordered pairs on the coordinate grid. How do you think the ordered pairs would be different if the puppy's weight was measured every week? If the puppy's weight was measured every week, I would say it would look like he wasn't gaining as much weight. It would look like the puppy is gaining much less weight. All right, let's take a look at SB64 now. It's kind of similar to SB63. Randy's training for a race, and she makes a table that shows how long it takes her to run different distances. So in 1 mile, she runs 10 minutes. 1 mile, she runs 10 minutes. 2 miles, she runs 20 minutes. 3 miles, she runs 30 minutes. In 4 miles, she runs 40 minutes. Okay. Looks like she takes 10 minutes to run a mile, right? Write the number pairs as ordered pairs. Okay, so I just did them. 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 30, and also 4, 40. Okay, Then write the rule to describe how the numbered pairs are related. Well, we just said that it looks like it takes her 10 minutes to run a mile because in 4 miles she can run 40 minutes, or it takes 40 minutes, right? Looks like I just multiplied by 10. So the rule is you multiply the x-axis, or number of miles, by 10 to get the y-axis, or the time in minutes. Okay, let's take a look at part B. Graph the ordered pair on the coordinate plane. Oh, we did that. Lovely. All right. Number 4. A scientist made a line graph that shows how a bear's average heart rate changes over time. And I have to answer these questions and see if they're right, yes or no, correct or incorrect, okay? So the bear's heart rate is at its highest in July. Let's take a look at July. That is at 140. That is the highest point. So yes, that's correct. Let's take a look at B. The bear's average heart rate decreases by 10 beats per minute from July to August. All right, July to August, let's see. This is going by 20, 40, 60, 80. So if this is 20, then in between right there would be 130. And it says it decreases by 10 beats per minute from July to August. Does that look like? Yeah, that looks like it's about 130. So it was at 140 to 130. I'd say yes. I agree with that. Let's take a look here. Well, let's see. From July to August. Yeah. And then the last one says the bear's heart rate is at its slowest in January. Let's take a look. Yes, I would say that it's at its slowest. I'm going to say yes for that one. I'm going to check on 4B one more time. The bear's average heart rate increases. Oh, excuse me, I'm reading that wrong. I knew it. Increases. No, it doesn't increase. It decreases. So, that's wrong. Okay. Tricky. I got tricked. It says it increases, and I just read it as decreases because I saw that it goes down from July to August, but that's why it's no. Didn't increase. All right, and that's it for SB63 and 64.